Hello there, welcome to my class. Now let's talk about mountains. A mountain is a form of land that rises from the Earth's surface, above its surroundings. Mountains are much taller than hills, and unlike hills, they have a peak and a summit. The peak is the highest point of a mountain, while the summit is the highest point that a person can reach. This means a mountain climber can reach the summit, but not the peak. In addition to the peak and the summit, there are two other parts, the slopes and the foot. The slopes are the side of the mountain, and the foot is the very bottom where the slopes begin. In most cases, mountains are found in mountain ranges, which are bunches of mountains crowded together. Some of the most popular mountain ranges are the Himalayas in Asia, the Andes in South America, and the Rocky Mountains in North America. Mountains are formed when pieces of the Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, smash against each other. When the plates smash together, the crash forces the land to rise. The plates will continue to smash into each other, and eventually a mountain will rise once enough rock has risen. Since the Earth's tectonic plates are so big, the crash won't just result in one mountain, but a whole range of mountains. But this process does not happen quickly. It can take millions of years for a mountain range to form, because Earth's tectonic plates move very slowly. There are three types of mountains: volcanoes, fold mountains, and block mountains. All three are formed by the movement of tectonic plates. Volcanic mountains form when hot, molten rock from deep inside the Earth erupts through the Earth's surface. When the rock breaks through the surface, it cools down and piles up to form a mountain. Some examples of volcanic mountains are Mount St. Helens in Washington State and Mount Fuji in Japan. The second type of mountain, known as fold mountains, are the most common type, and they are formed when two plates collide. The third type of mountain, known as block mountains, are formed when the plates move away from each other. When the plates move away from each other, it leaves a big gap in the ground, and the surrounding land becomes mountains that look over the gap below. Some mountain ranges serve as borders between countries, and over half of the world's fresh water runs through the mountains. But a mountain can only be considered a true mountain if it is at least 1,000 feet above the surrounding land. The highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest in Asia, at 29,032 feet in the sky. However, the tallest mountain in the world is technically Mount Loa in Hawaii, if you measure it from its base, which is underwater. Mauna Loa is a volcanic mountain that is only 13,678 feet above the ocean, but it is actually about 30,000 feet tall if you include the rest of the mountain under the sea. Well, that's all I have for mountains. Stay tuned for the next cool lesson.